Well, I went down to Summit Jeep Company in Prescott this morning and got me some ProComp LED headlights for the LittleWierdJeep and ProComp fog lights. So I should really step up my game on the headlights on this thing. The Jeep headlights are so bad, as probably most of you know what the stock headlights are like. So we're gonna do a little comparison. I did some filming of the stock lights at night, and then I'm gonna show right behind that. You'll see a clip with the new lights on. See if you can tell a difference. So let's look at that. Okay, Ron 1 here in the LittleWierdJeep doing a headlight example. This is my Jeep 2008 JKU stock headlights. I'm doing a before and after look because I got some ProComp LEDs going in next week. Headlights and the stock fog lights are getting changed out to ProComps also. So I want to do a little before and after. I've got pretty much a moonless night here. So here I am sitting in the driveway just looking at a field across the street, and on right now are my original low beams. Here is low beams with fog lights coming on. There's the fog lights, the stock Jeep fog lights that are in the Black Mountain bumper. And now we'll go to bright lights added on. So right there, so you can see that go out a little bit farther. See the highway up ahead there. So again, there's with brights and the stock fog lights. There's back to normal headlights with fog lights, and there's just the weak punk ass headlights that Jeep has. So now we'll do the LED comparison after we get those put in. Thank y'all. Bye-bye. Okay, here we go with the headlight check in a LittleWierdJeep with the new LEDs in. So first up, low beam. Whoa! Holy crap, that's a hell of a lot better than the stock lights. Wow! And now high beam. Whoops. Whoop. Get it locked. Holy smokes, that is amazing. I'm not kidding. That is freaking amazo. Man, what a difference. Now let's go back to low beam. Now here's with the ProComp floodlights. Woo! You know, the stock floodlights, I'll have to admit, weren't bad on the Jeep. These are better yet and a little wider, but the stock ones weren't too bad. I don't notice as big a difference as with the headlights are making. So there it is with low beam floodlights, and now let's hit high beam. Holy smokes, that is a lot of light.